Give me a sec. Hey, now that we're driving, yeah, y'all come whenever. Drive over and grab a couple of shakers with your kiddos. We're gonna do what's called some scaffolding. Grab some shakers, maybe 2 for you and 2 for mommy. Or Miss Jordana, she's acting mommy today. Yeah.
Jordana has the heavy one.
There you go. And don't forget something that's called scaffolding here, but really, you're giving your kiddos a chance to lead you, to lead the class, and not have to have you tell them what to do with these shakers, right? So, y'all, I'm going to put some background music on for us. Yeah, grab a couple. Is just explore these shakers with your kiddos, however they use them. Validate those ways that they're using them. Say, hey, check out what you're doing. I'm going to try that too. I'm going to use some shakers too. I'll put some more background tunes on for us here. Easy. And explore with your shakers a little bit. I'm going to come around and explore with you guys. Buckle up. On your feet. You get on your feet. Gonna buckle up, should we do up? Gonna buckle up, sha-na-na-na. Gonna buckle up, should we do up? Gonna buckle up. Ride along with me to your favorite park. Click your seatbelt into place before you start the car. Such an easy thing to do when you ride away. Just click your seatbelt every time, and you'll be safe all day. Gonna buckle up, should we do up? Gonna buckle up, sha-na-na-na. Gonna buckle up, should we do up? Gonna buckle up. Buckle up. Buckle up. Are we there yet? Gonna buckle up, should we do up? Gonna buckle up, sha-na-na-na. Gonna buckle up, should we do up? Gonna buckle up. William's tasting them to make sure they taste all right too. Oh, like that. Awesome. Hey, shakers away, shakers.